After we have two cavity and also two core, the next step we will do is to create mold base. So this one, insert mold. For this mold I will use this one, the hash code type 6 F6M1, the index, APH, AP type, B type, and CPH type. Okay, now what I need to do is just to click mold base library. I will use hash code type this one, hash code E type 6F6M1. Okay, this is the information window. If you don't want to see, you can click this one and you can switch all the parameters in here. For example, I will check the index has become 696 times 996. 696 times 996, this one. Okay, APH 96. I'm sorry, it should be 196. 196 HPH 196, this one already, and the other maybe I will accept the default value, and then I will click OK to create the 3D geometry like this one. Okay, now it's created the mold base. So it's very easy to create the mold base in NX. So if you want to change, for example, you don't want to use this one, maybe you want to other using some kind of the other, maybe the other, for example like this, you just simply click this one, mold base library, and then you should uncheck this one, okay, and go to the other. For example, LKM goes like item, LKM PP in here. If you want to see the preview, you can see this one like this. Okay, and what you need to do is change the index, for example like this. Okay, I don't know about the value for this, so I just click for the access you want to remove. Yes, so this cat model for this one will be removed and will be switched into the new mold. So it's very easy using the NX mold wizard. You don't need to draw all the 3D mold for the all these accessories in here. So you just what you need to do is just switch from one mold to the other mold. As you can see in here, it will create 3D model. Now you can see in here, I think the mold is too small, so you can do change the index maybe into the bigger one, but I think it's not available, so this kind of mold is not suitable for this cat model. So I will return again into the Haskell E. Okay, Haskell E. What you need to do again is to uncheck this one, okay, and go back to this, select the Haskell E, Okay, go to type 6F and 1 and go switch the index 6962996. Okay, and 1, and then you accept this. So we'll go back to the previous design. So it's very easy for us as a user. The NX Mold Wizard is very useful to help you quickly work with this mold project. Okay, so that's it, the mold base insert mold. And then the next thing we should do is to insert the injection nozzle. Okay, injection nozzle, I will insert the Hasco sprue bushing Z518 with length 96. Okay, what I need to do now is to go to standard part library, go to Hasco, go to sprue bushing Z15, we go to injection sprue bushing Z1, this one Z518, right? Z518 with length 96 millimeters. So you can see the length is L in here, 96. Okay, now when I click OK, NX will automatically insert on the middle in this mold tooling. So it will create on the 0, 0 plus Z. You can see that's why it's very important to make sure this at the center for each core and the cavity. Next, I will insert the injection locating pin with mounting hose using the ME. Save again, standard part library. I go to the ME, injection. Okay, locating pin with mounting hose in here. Okay, locating pin with mounting hose with diameter 200. With diameter 200, here I just type it, apply, and then NX will automatically place at the center also. See in here. Okay. And then after that, we're going to design ejector pin and also select the ejector pin and then trim the ejection pin. I will show you on the next video for that.